Hello everyone, welcome to Python Inspired. Here we are going to study what are the different methods that are used with strings in Python language. So the methods that we're going to study in this video are listed here: find, count, split, capitalize, lower, upper and title. So we will individually see how every one of them works. So if I write hello world, so this is my string. Okay, so first method that we're going to study is find. So if I write a dot find, and let's suppose I want to find E, so you have to write as a string E in this A. So you see it gives me 1. So 1 means the E letter E was found at the index location of 1. If you want to know more about indexing, how the indexing works, I have already shared a video and the link is provided on the upper side of the screen. You can go there and see how the indexing works. So this index, 1 index, gives me E. Okay, if I write a dot find and I just write W, so you have to write a string here. So you're going to see that index 6, if you count 0 1 2 3 4, the fifth index is space and the sixth index is the word letter W. Okay, so it gives me 6. And if I write something that is not available inside this, if I write, let's suppose M, so you will see -1. If -1 is returned, remember that -1 indicates that the word, that the letter or anything that you've written inside the find is not found. Okay, right. So that was what you can do, how you can find something in here. And you can also write a dot find with, let's suppose you said find me E, but you also selected range from 2 to 5, let's suppose. So this is starting point and this is ending point. And when you see, if you start from the index 2 and end at the index 5, in that region E is not present because E was present at index 1. So it returned -1 because E was not found in that region. So this is how you can also define boundaries of the regions where you want to find something. So this was our first method, find. Next one is count. So if I write a dot count and I write E, count is how many times a specific, whatever you have written inside here is repeating itself, how many times. So E was repeating 1 times, E was present for the only 1 time, so it was here. Let's suppose I write L because L is repeating a dot count and I write L. So you're going to see L was appearing 3 times in our this A. Okay, let me show you what is A here. So hello world, you can see the L is appearing 3 times. Okay, let me define another string B called ABC, ABC, ABC and DEF. Let's suppose this is my B and I say count. So you have to always remember B dot count because this is a method, string method, so you have to always specify the string on which you are going to apply this method. So B dot count and I write ABC. So you are going to see this ABC is coming 3 times in our string B. So it's ABC, ABC and ABC, so 3 times this has returned. Okay, similarly you can also use B dot count with let's suppose ABC with a starting and end point. So 3 2 7, let's suppose 6. Okay, so in this region you're going to see ABC only comes once. So you have specified the range for which to look, and in this region this ABC comes only once. So that's how it works. I hope it's clear. Okay, and then after that what you're going to see is how to split. So similarly if I write B dot split, if I use split and I say split from B, let's suppose B, so you're going to see, and let me write B also here, this is my B and this is B dot split. Remember, this B dot split will just return a splitted version of B, so B is not changing. We have already discussed the Python. In Python, the strings are immutable. They cannot be changed once defined. Okay, this is the first video of the strings. I told you about this thing in Python called immutability. So you see, b dot split will give you answers. See, the b was here and it gave me a, it gave me ca, and until the next b is found. So wherever b was found, it splitted that and returned me a list. This is a list. Okay, if you want to store, you can say c equals to b dot split from b, and okay, okay, what make yes, so I made a spelling mistake, split. So you see, now if you write print my c, so you will see that this list, if you want to store this list, the answer of splitting in some variable, this is how you will do that, because you cannot store the same result in b because b is immutable. Okay, so this is how you split. Okay, if you remember, a was this hello world, and if you write a dot split and you don't write anything, so it will split whenever it will find a space. It will split from the space bar wherever there is a space character. This is how splitting works. Okay, so a was hello world. So if I write a dot, another method is capitalize. So it's already giving me capitalize. If I write a dot capitalize and I don't write anything here, so this is going to give me h. See, the h, first h was small letter, so capitalize just makes the first letter capital. Okay, first letter capital, and you see the world here was capital, but it's now turned to lowercase, because in capitalize you only have the first word, the first character as capital. Okay, similarly if I write a dot lower, so you see, lower means everything is converted into lowercase. So world, w of the world was here, you can see w of the world was uppercase, but now it's lowercase. Okay, so this is how you convert into lowercase. If I write a dot upper, so you're going to see everything is converted into uppercase. So this is another method that you can use. And if you write a dot title, what title does is makes every first letter of the every word capital. So w is also capital and h is also capital. So this is title. So these were the methods that are usually used in strings in Python. Hope they are clear to you. If there is any confusion, you can let me know in the comment section and I can clarify those things. Thank you for watching.